This quick tutorial will show how to fly by the Moon in Kerbal Space Program 1. Select the Explore the Moon mission. You will need the Terrier engine available in advanced rocketry. Build the rocket as shown here. For additional safety, add a T-100 tank to the Terrier engine. Launch the rocket and start monitoring the fuel in the first stage. When empty, press spacebar and start tapping the D key. Change to orbital view and continue going 90 degrees towards the horizon. Continue toward the horizon to get into a circular orbit. Save the game in case there's a problem during the Mun Flyby. Line up so you are viewing the orbit from the side as shown. Align rocket to prograde. When the Moon is just coming over the horizon and the ship is close to the edge, press the Z key. Monitor your path as it is extending out towards the Moon's orbit. Use the Control key to reduce thrust as you are approaching the Moon's orbit. Speed up time until you are close to the Moon. Collect science while flying by the Moon. Turn the rocket retrograde and turn on the thrust when you are at the high point of your orbit. Turn off the thrust when your periapsis is at about 30 kilometers. Return to Kerban.